So continuing on that focus on critical infrastructure, let's talk about edge computing. We found that in 2019, edge marketing went mainstream, but adoption is going to ramp up in 2020. Canadian enterprises are beginning to act on the fact that some of the highest value data generation and customer interactions are taking place well outside of their data centers. The edge represents a new frontier and convergence of infrastructure domains such as compute, storage, and networking, more specifically, moving compute to where the data is created to dramatically reduce time to value. While vendors have been positioning products as edge capable for some time now, customers are beginning to understand that what the edge really means to them is constraints. Delivering infrastructure outside of the data center means constraints in size, in power and cooling, in connectivity, as well as security, expertise, and administration. But the trade-offs, including faster decision-making, better quality data, and improved customer experience, make edge solutions an increasingly compelling investment in a variety of industries. Edge computing has evolved significantly from the days of isolated IT at remote and branch office locations. Edge computing will also enable new types of workloads, a lot of them in the IoT space. In Canada, 20% of medium and large organizations deployed edge infrastructure in 2019. We expect this to double to 40% in 2020. In the oil and gas sector, for instance, there are already plenty of edge deployments that allow processing of large amounts of data in remote locations where access to high bandwidth connectivity is very limited or non-existent. Edge solutions rather than edge products will lead the way, and industry expertise plus workload proficiency plus remote or cloud management and automation all running on edge-capable infrastructure means that hardware revenue will grow at more than double the rate of traditional on-premise infrastructure over the next 5 years. And you can see on the slide here our worldwide forecast for edge infrastructure. We're going to come out with a Canadian forecast for edge infrastructure in 2020.